This remedy can treat diabetes, cancer, AIDS, stroke, arthritis. Did you hear of black cumin oil? Well, watch on more. Studies revealed that Nigella sativa, black cumin seed oil, can stop cancer cells. Extract of this seed named thymoquinone can cure cancer. This item can cure breast, colon, liver, cervix, lymphoma, melanoma, prostate cancer and more. Studies were made on animals for now, so it is matter of time for human studies too. These things make this oil potent, so large pharma companies are reluctant yet to explore this fully. In two separate studies from two countries, China and Saudi Arabia in 2011, was said this oil treats cancer, diabetes, asthma, kidney issues and more. It is not clear how this is done for cancer, but studies go on. Perfect mix with black cumin seed oil and honey. Egyptian study said this oil and honey kills cancer. And this was seen in lab rats that got heavy doses of a carcinogen. The study had 4 rat groups given honey and black seed oil. Rest 3 groups had either of the two items. The first group had less cancer risk by 100%. The rest of groups had decrease of 80%. No radiation problem with black cumin seed oil. Back in 2014, Turkey experts said this oil gives relief to those radiated from curing for cancer. Tests were done on rats that had gamma radiation and were divided in 2 groups. The first had 1 gram black seed oil 60 minutes prior radiation. Total were given 10 grams for the following 10 days radiation. The second group rats had no radiation and had just saline mix. The seed oil decreased oxidation stress. The antioxidants made liver healthier. Another result is that black seed oil 10 days prior radiation for 10 days made rats safe against the radiation damage. Another study in India of 2012 examined the mic that had this oil before radiation. One group had tumors. The other group was healthy. Both groups had 100 mg per kilogram weight before radiation. The antioxidants kept all internal organs healthy. Black cumin seed oil attacks liver cancer. Experts of Saudi Arabia in 2014 said cumin oil removes inflammation and cancer too. For humans with lung cancer, a dose of 0.01 mg/ml black seed oil killed cancer cells, and not healthy ones. Brain cancer cells are attacked too. Experts of Ohio University in 2013 tested the thymoquinone effects for aggressive brain cancer. Study said that cancer was killed by this and left healthy cells undamaged. But, the study also proved that this seed oil blocked the autophagy in cancer cells, which said cancer cells grow with energy on cellular levels. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.